Hey guys, this is Dr. Matt Lahey at Advanced Health Chiropractic in South Loop, Chicago. I'm here with one of our patients, Ryan. We're going to be doing a treatment video with him today, going through just what it is we do with our adjustments. First, he's just going to go through kind of what he came in for, how it's affecting him, how everything's been going. So, Ryan, go ahead.
Yeah, I came in to treat my upper back and my neck. I was having a lot of issues just even getting up from bed. It would just hurt a lot in this area. And the treatment has been going really well. I've been pretty consistent in coming, and a lot of the methodologies and the variety of methodologies has really helped me out. So, yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's get you adjusted. You go ahead face down. Okay, so start our adjustments off with an instrument called ArthroStim. This is going to induce motion into the joints, help with disc hydration, just get everything warmed up. Pre-adjustment. Now we're going to start with the mid-thoracic spine. All right, breath in and out. And then we're going to do a little soft tissue work with Ryan. As he mentioned, kind of that upper back, lower neck area right in the trap region. Gets really tight, overworked in this position. A lot of people with desk jobs or working from home have issues with this. Hypervolt is a good way of just getting those bigger muscle groups to calm down, take off some of the tension. All right, you go ahead and flip over for me. Okay, last we're gonna get Ryan's neck adjusted. All right, there you go. Come on up. All right, so that's our adjustment with Ryan. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms that Ryan has been experiencing, any other spinal pain, discomfort, or any joints within the body, schedule a new patient appointment. We'll get everything examined and go through our treatment protocol. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.